Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove wrinkles, skin whitening, get rid of sagging skin, get fair, spotless and glowing skin without fine lines, without any sagging skin. Get rid of fine lines and sagging skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home. This magical pack works 100% and will remove the wrinkles for you and the fine lines and will get you fair, spotless, milky skin naturally. From first use you will notice that your skin is 100% glowing and it's super healthy. It removes the dead skin cells and it will whiten your skin naturally. It removes the suntan, the pigmentation, dark spots, black spots, and will get you an amazing white skin, fair skin naturally. It whitens the skin tone up to 4 degrees and it's super effective in getting you rid of any kind of wrinkles and fine lines. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical face pack is 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, and sandalwood powder is easily available online and in grocery stores, and you need to add 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel or market aloe vera gel, whichever available for you. We need around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need vitamin E capsules, and here I'm using the 1000 milligram vitamin E capsule. You can add 400 milligrams vitamin E capsule, whichever available for you, my friends. We need to add 1 capsule. We need to cut the capsule with a scissor and get all the vitamin E oil in it. Then we need 1 lemon or lime. Cut it in half and add 1 full fresh lemon or lime juice, 1 teaspoon, just 1 teaspoon. Now my friends, mix very well all the ingredients. Once we mix and combine all the ingredients together like so, our magical face pack is ready. Apply it on your face, apply it on your hands, on feet, on any place that you do have dark skin and you do have wrinkles, and it will whiten the skin for you naturally and will remove the wrinkles and fine lines naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.